If you travel to Tibet and see someone waving at you from a distance, never approach them. This could be a Tibetan blue bear mimicking human behavior to lure you closer. Tibetan blue bears are a subspecies of brown bears and the most cunning, deceptive bears known to exist. They excel at imitating human standing postures, and many people have tragically died from their disguises. Never feel lucky enough to open your window and feed them. Before attacking, they pretend to be docile, eagerly eating whatever food you offer while slowly approaching. Once they reach the right distance, they suddenly launch their assault. Don't think closing your window will save you. Adult Tibetan blue bears weigh 880 pounds with muscular builds and remarkable agility. One swipe can crush yak skulls. Car windows pose no barrier whatsoever. They frequently venture into nearby residential areas searching for food. For protection, local houses install metal bars on all windows. Surveillance footage reveals these bears can distinguish between doors and windows. What's truly terrifying is their problem-solving ability. Initially, they push doors and discover they won't budge. Then they try different methods to pry them open. Finally, they locate areas with larger gaps and literally tear doors apart before entering to search for food. Although 2 dogs heard the commotion and rushed over, they dared not enter the house. The residents inside were probably paralyzed with fear. These intelligent predators demonstrate sophisticated hunting strategies that challenge our understanding of bear behavior. Their ability to mimic humans represents an evolutionary adaptation that makes them particularly dangerous to unsuspecting travelers in remote Tibetan regions.